Hello students, this is the part second of tenses. In the previous video, we have discussed all about simple tenses. Now in this video, we will discuss all the continuous and perfect tenses. So let's get started. At very first, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, it refers to an action which is currently going on. So the event is still going on by the time referring to it. The sentence structure of it is subject plus verb first form, be plus ing plus object. Be verbs here are is, am, or selected on the first person, second person and third person. For example here, I am playing football right now. Here my action of playing football is still going on and has not yet completed. So in the timeline it will appear exactly in the circle. It indicates that the action is going on right now. Now let's look into the next tenses. Past continuous tense. It refers to an action which began in the past and was still going on until some other action occurred. Structure of the sentence of it is subject, be, verb plus ing plus object. Be here for was and where. For example, I was playing football when you arrived. Here my action was going on until you arrived. Now look into the timeline. So here in the left side started an action which was going on and on until another action is occurred. Remember this diagram properly. Now let's look into the next one, future continuous tense. Here it refers to an action which will begin into the future and will still go on until some other action occurred. Structure of the sentence will be subject plus will be plus verb ing form plus object. Example, I will be playing football when you arrive. Here, I am reducing future action of playing will go on until some another action happens. In the timeline, my action is playing football be on the right side. Going on and on until another action occurs. Hope you are clear with the continuous tenses. Let's look into the perfect tenses now. Present perfect tense, it refers an action that begin in the past and true in the present, and it also refers an action that happened in the past but time is not specified. Structure of it is subject plus have or has plus be3 plus object. Let's look into an example of action that happened in the past and is still true. I have played football a lot this week. Let's look into the timeline. Here, action of playing is started in the past and it is still true in the present. That is still playing football Now let's look into the example of finished action without any time declared. I have finished my homework. Here, getting to know the homework is done, but the time is not specified when exactly the homework was done. So in the timeline, it will look like this. It is a simple past, but here time is not known. In the simple past, we know the time when the event was completed. Please remember this difference from two timelines. We understand that the two usage of present perfect tenses. Now let's look into the next one, past perfect tense. It refers to an action that completed before any other action in the past. Structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus B3 plus object. For example, here I had played football before you came. So one action of playing was already completed before another action in the past. In the timeline, it will look like this. On the left hand, action of playing is already completed with respect to another action came. I hope you are clear with past perfect tenses. Now let's look into the future perfect tense. It refers to an action that will happen before any other event in the future. Here we are comparing two events in the future. Structure of it is subject plus will have plus B3 plus object. For example, here I will have played football by the time you arrive. Here my action of playing is already completed before the action of your arriving. In the timeline, it will be look like this. On the right hand side, action of playing completed by the time, while the your action of arriving comes. So here comparing two events happening. Now we have covered all the perfect tenses. For the remaining tenses, continue watch the video third.